Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll to find the security. Here let's scroll down again to find more settings. And as you can see, in this section we've got the option install apps from external sources. We have to tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So simply tap on the browser, for example, and tap on the switcher. We have to tap on enable to confirm, but here we've got a really important message, information that basically you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So simply tap on enable. As you can see, it is active, and after getting back you can see that the browser is right now allowed to install some content. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions the same way. Simply tap on it and tap on the switcher. And as you can see, the browser is right now not allowed to install anything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.